Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 17. What is the difference between in and exists in SQL Server? In this session, we are going to discuss about what is the difference between in and exists classes in SQL Server database. Coming to in class, the in class is used to filter rows where a value matches any value in a list or subquery. We have to remember it searches for any value in list or subquery. For example, using in with a static list, we have a query select star from employees where department ID in 1, 2, 3. This retrieves all employees whose department ID in 1, 2, 3. In this way, it will just search in the list and it will provide you the output. Coming to the next example, using in with a subquery. Here we are using subquery. Select star from employees where department ID in select department ID from departments where location is equal to head office. Here this will get some list of things and it will give the main query to check for the location is equal to head office. From the departments table, it finds employees who work in departments located at the head office. And coming to the exist class, the exist class checks whether a subquery returns any rows. If it does, the condition is true. It will just check for the record is existing or not, the records are existing or not. If it is existing, it just returns the true, and if it is not exist, it returns false. Whereas in condition shows the values that are in. Okay, and coming to the example for using exist class, we have a query select star from employees E where exist, select one from department D where D dot department ID is equal to E dot department ID, and location D dot location is equal to head office. We are searching these records here. If these records are existing, these records are going to be given for the main query in the where condition. In this way, this returns employees only if their departments exist in the department table and is located at the head office. These are the two conditions. This have to be true. Then only this record is going to be given to the main query as a filter. Let's see key differences between in and exist classes. In class checks if a value in a list or a subquery. It checks the list and subquery also. Whereas coming to the exist class, this checks if subquery returns any row. This checks subquery returns any row. It gives true or false. The row is existing or not, it's going to check, and if it's there, it provides true, otherwise false. Where in class, value in the list or subquery. It checks for the value in a list or subquery. Coming to the performance, for in class, better for small data sets, whereas exist class, it is better for large or indexed subqueries. Handling nulls. In class may return unexpected results while using null values. If a data is having null values, we are using subqueries by using in class, it may return unexpected results. In such scenario, we can go for exist class. It is safer with nulls also. It can handle nulls effectively in the subqueries by using exist class. Let's see these things practically from SSMS. We are in SSMS, that is called SQL Server Management Studio, and demo at GKey database. We just see two tables. What are the data existing here? These are the department and employees table, and this is the data that we have discussed. Let's see first condition, using in with a static list. This is the static list. We are going to check the in condition in 1, 2, 3 department IDs, and we are going to select all rows from employees. Let's check this thing. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 department have checked and provided the output for those department IDs. It is a static list here. Let's check this in
a class with a subquery. This is the query for that. Select star from employees where department ID in. Select department ID from departments where location is equal to head office. This would be the scenario that will be given to the main query, and it will check the values there and it provide the output. This finds employees who work in departments located at head office. And coming to the exist class checks whether a subquery returns any rows. It checks if row exists, it gives true. If row is not exists, it gives false. Select star from employees E where exists. Select one from departments D where D dot department ID is equal to E dot department ID and D dot location is equal to head office. In this way, here checking for the record by satisfying these two conditions. Once the record is exist, it is given that as a where condition for the main query. In such a way, this returns employees only if their department exists in the department table and is located at the head office. See, we have other things like before in we can use not in as well. In these scenarios, it gives the reverse output for this. If you are checking in this way, the list is not in. That means we are not checking in this list. In the same way, we can use not exist. That means this record should not be exist for the query. In such a way, for in and exist classes, we can use not in, not exist. This way, the top and exist functions like classes are having their own functionality in their application. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.